Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Tonight we're going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold again. Some of the levels we're looking at for some of the upside and also the downside. Let's go ahead and take a look at S&P right now. We'll take a look at a 10 tick and also a 10 tick on gold for tonight and see what we get for that. Now, S&P 500, we're below one of our structured levels. We had some support sitting here at 1225. That was where we kind of took off, 1225, 1250, where we took off to the upside. So we're back below this area. We are looking to target this level right down below. You can see here this level at 3200. That's kind of where we're looking to fall off. So whether we get this pullback and then attempt the level, or we just collapse completely into it, we are looking for one of those two things to happen. Now, if we get back up into these 1225s, then we are going to be looking for that rotational resistance here and then a pull down. Now, if we get above those 1225s, then we're going to be looking for some support off this level. Once we get that support bounces, then we'll probably look for an upside of about 27, where we had our levels to the downside this morning. We did get a pop above, but we finally just collapsed right through, retested this level, and finally broke through this area by the end of today. So we are below this level. We are looking to see if we can get that gradual pull down into 3200s, which I think as long as we stay below these 1225s, we will get that extension down below into that 3200. So that's what we're anticipating. Now, below this level of 3200, we are probably more than likely going to find some support sitting below that, but right around those 90 to 92s, where we've had support for a while now. So this becomes a very strong level of support, but we'll see if we just kind of hold that level or we collapse right through it and then make our way back down from there. So we'll anticipate what's going to happen. If by the London session we get past these levels, we'll look to place new levels up here on the charts. Now let's take a look at a gold chart as well. Now gold's kind of similar as well, not similar, but gold has been moving up, and now we have a sideways movement. So you guys can see we have our resistance level kind of plotted. A top peak sitting at 58 to about 55 is the earliest we can look to try to take some downside movements. And we do got this support coming in right here at about 43. So sitting right in the middle of this actual range. So we're not going to be trying to trade anything right in the middle of this, but we are looking for it to pull down into support here at about 43.4. Now, if we can get that pull down, then we'll look for some support bounces off this level, see if we do, and then we'll head back up, try to take some profit off the middle of the range, and then try to take it all the way to the top. Now, from that top level, we could hold that resistance, and if we hold the resistance like we want to see, then we'll be looking for a move back down to the middle of the range, kind of like how we did right here off this level, move right back into the middle of the range, and then from there take some profit and look for a potential move all the way back to the downside. So we'll be patient for those levels, but again, if we get under these 43s, we will see some downside movement. I'd say I'm trying to anticipate maybe somewhere between these 38 and below that's going to be somewhere around 32.2. So we'll be patient for that to happen. Right now we're kind of right in the middle, so not a very good area for us to look for some trades, but that is what we're going to be currently looking for when we get into that London session. But again, if we do get past those levels by the time we get into the London session, we will redo our levels and we'll look to take some trades based off of current price action. Last night had a lot of good movement for the London session, especially on gold. S&P wasn't moving too much, but gold had a lot of good movement, so we caught a lot of good trades off of that during the London session and also during the US session. So again, that will sum it up for the videos. Thank you guys for watching these videos. If you guys did like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are subscribed, thank you guys again for subscribing to the channel and watching the videos. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great night, and if you guys are going to be in the London session, we will see you guys in there. Take care.